Now, if you've been following our house shopping journey, quite a lot has happened. Here's a quick recap. Episode 1.
I literally bought a house. Almost. Like literally almost bought a house.
Episode 2.
We submitted the offer.
You mean you submitted the offer?
I submitted the offer.
3.
Someone who put in an offer and it's higher than yours. Do you want to go higher?
Episode 4.
Maybe I'm missing something here. I don't know. Hi, you guys. So it is currently November and there is an offer review date for a home tomorrow and a new home that we also really love. And the issue is that we've already put in an offer for the first home, but they were unwilling to review it. They told us they were willing to review it before the offer review date, and then they ended up not reviewing it. So we need to re-put in an offer if we want to. The price point of these homes are pretty close to each other, and so we are currently trying to figure out which one we like better. They're very comparable in very different ways, but like ultimately they're like very similar in very different ways. I don't know how much better to explain it, but we are about to have a little score sheet. So we're gonna call one the left house and one the right house. And the scores that we're gonna be giving them are for location, parking, the house aesthetic, extra renovation fee, like how much more money we'd have to put into it, the safety, the size / amenities, the price, the sellability, I don't even know what the marketability, that's the word for it. How easily it would be able to sell it, how good the schools are, Butto's accessibility, so how easy it is for us to walk the Butto's, and rentability if we don't end up selling the house. So Kevin and I will be independently giving these houses a score up to 5.
No, I think we should discuss, like, they shouldn't be all the same amount. Let's first talk about how important each of these categories are.
Oh dang, you're getting like...
No, I'm serious. Let's say out of 10. 10 is how important. Yeah.
Okay. Let's figure out how much each is worth.
Yeah.
Location is 10, worth 10.
Worth 10. Then it's maximum of 10. Okay.
Parking, like 5.
5.
Okay. Safety, 10.
Between
8.
location. I mean, location is already included, kind of.
Yeah, a little bit. Size, amenities, 10.
Yeah. Price is hard.
Price? What are we supposed to say about
I
price?
don't know.
Let's get rid of that one.
Yeah.
There's nothing we can do about the price. Sellability, 5. Rentability, 5. Schools, 5. Butto's 5. Alright, everyone's at 5.
Okay, let me write
except
it
the
down.
location and the size and amenities and safety. Wow, yours is so neat. Mine's so messy.
No, my handwriting sucks.
Here's Kevin's and here's mine. Mine's like all messy. Okay, ready?
Location.
Do we need to explain? Okay,
No.
I gave 6 and 8.
I gave a 7 and a 9.
Oh, dang, you're so generous.
But one's better. Right is better.
Overall, I would never send my kids to any of these schools, but...
This is location. This isn't separate from schools. We rate schools.
Oh,
down
okay.
here.
Sorry. Location.
You're just basically location.
Location, a 6 and an 8. Okay, and then you gave a 7 and a 9. Okay.
Okay.
Parking, I gave a 3 and a 2.
I gave 2 and a 2. Well, I guess the left.
I think the left has a
more street.
slightly better street parking situation.
But the actual spot on the right is better.
Yes, agreed. And we could probably charge the car on the right. Yeah, they're both okay.
Yeah.
Okay. House aesthetic, I gave a 3 and a 5.
I gave it 4 and a 4.
Are you kidding me?
It's part of the lighting and things like that.
The left one needs so much work.
I think
I need to
you'll be
redo the
surprised.
kitchen. I need to redo the bathrooms.
You'll be surprised how it looks when it's empty. Because the reason the left house when we saw it was like
apparently it's vacant now. Yeah. Okay. 3 and a 5. The left one, in my opinion, needs work. The right one doesn't. That's why I gave
the right one is a new house. Just for context.
Yeah. For safety, I gave a 5 and a 6 for safety.
I gave a 5 and a 6 too. Wow, we're like the same person. Oh, did we look at each other's scores?
Did you look at mine?
No.
For size and amenities, out of 10, I gave it the left one an 8 and the right one a 6.
Me too.
Are you copying me?
I did not look at any of the stuff you wrote.
Kevin claims he's never cheated on an exam before, but...
Eye test.
I don't know, a little sus.
Eye exam.
A little sus. We should roll it back and see if we cheated.
I went to first grade and I was doing the eye test and I couldn't see numbers, so I walked by and looked at the numbers because I didn't want to wear glasses.
Cheater. The left one has an extra den. That's why we gave it the higher score. And it just like overall the space makes a lot more sense.
Has an extra half bath.
Yeah. Okay. Sellability, I gave it 4 and a 4.
Me too.
I felt like the left one would sell because of like the beautiful layout, and it's very well thought out. And the right one would sell because the location is better. That was my idea. Okay.
Well, the left one is gonna sell because I feel like it fulfills, I think, more
people's
people. Like
criteria.
the pool of people wanting to buy that house is larger.
Yeah, agreed.
I think.
Agreed. Okay, for schools, overall I would not send any of my kids to any of these schools probably, except for one of the high schools. But I gave it a 2 and a 3.
Me too.
Are you sure you didn't cheat?
Why would I cheat?
For the Buttos, I gave it the left one a 1 and the right one a 3. I felt like the 3 had the rooftop that we could at least try to make work, but the left has nothing.
It has like a back door.
Yeah, but it's like
Not-
shared with everyone
yeah.
else, so it's like not. You know, we can't let him off.
I gave that a 1 and I gave the other house a 2.
Okay.
Like I don't think he likes the rooftop very much.
Okay.
but
Rentability, I gave a 4 and a 5.
I gave 3 and a 4.
Yeah, I mean, that makes sense.
I think it's harder to rent because of the location. I think.
For the left one? Yeah, for sure. Okay, let's add up the scores. I need to use a calculator. Kevin can just use his brain.
15.
Okay, so for the final scores, for me, I had 36 for the left house and 42 for the right house. And Kev had 36 for the left house and 40 for the right house. Yeah, so we're trying to figure out if we want to offer on left house because it's due tonight, or if we should just go for the right house, which does not currently have a deadline.
The right house is the right house.
Ah. Okay guys, it's the next day. We're trying to write the offer for the house that we decided that we wanted to put one in for, but again, the people are like not communicating with us. Like the way that it works here is basically unless you put an offer in, nobody wants to talk to you. And this house is asking us to waive financial contingency, which I don't feel incredibly comfortable with. I already have my loan underwritten, so I think we're in the clear in that department, but I don't want to take any risks, and it is not a cheap house. I mean, there's no house that is cheap, so I'm a little skeptical about that. I'm gonna talk to my loan agent, talk to my real estate agent, and try to figure out what we can do. I was hoping to go in a little bit lower than listing because I knew, you know, I figured they would probably counter back anyways at like much higher if I already went in at listing, but it's feeling like unless we go in at listing, like nobody is gonna want to talk to us, and it's just so crazy. Like I feel like I'm the customer, I'm the one like buying the house, but like nobody cares because it's a seller's market. So like straight up, there's just no communication, and it makes me feel like very queasy. Guys, I'm sweating. There's another offer coming for the same house, so we have to like write it right now. We're just gonna go in at listing, see if we can maybe get it. I need to talk to my loan agent and make sure that it's really approved. Guys, I don't know. I kind of have like a uneasy feeling, but I also feel like more, I'm just gonna say I feel calm, but I definitely do not feel calm. But I feel a little bit more like familiar with the process, and I'm fully ready to accept either way. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. This is a third one, so maybe third time is a charm. Truly, if this one doesn't work out, I think I'm gonna have to wait until next year because the end of the year is so busy and I don't have time to be doing this every freaking week. Okay, so we're about to send out the offer. It doesn't expire until tomorrow, so again, we have to play the waiting game and see if we get something, but I really, this is like the first offer that we put in that it kind of feels real. Like I've been having like a weird like gut feeling for the first two that I put in. This one I actually feel good, so overall, it should be hopefully fine. What? Do we get the house?
Do you want the house?
Yes?
Yes, congratulations, we got it.
Ah! Oh my goodness! Uh-huh.
So we got it.
Oh my god. Oh, I feel so relieved. Thank goodness, third time's a charm. Lucky us. We so appreciate all your help. We couldn't have done it without you. Calling mom. Hello, guess what?
Guess what?
Guess what?
拿到了。
拿到了！啊，结果别人写 offer 比我们更高。但是他没有 waive 那个 financing contingency, so builder 不愿意收，就直接 accept 我们的 offer。
屁啦，我在猜一定。
Anyway，
等一下，那好紧张哦，等一下。
Oh my god. Bye, bye bye. Honey!
hello.
We got a house!
Right after we gotta unpack everything.
Yeah, I told you if we unpack the furniture, then we'll for sure get the house.
Yeah, I'm happy you got your dream house in.
I can't believe you got the house! Oh my god, why are you not exciting?
I'm just walking in the halls of the hospital.
Oh,
and I
I'm
can't do
honestly, I'm dying. I
thank
am
you, honey.
dying.
Honey, is it today a good day for you?
Yes. Wow, what great energy. Oh my god. Oh god.
This is your first house.
It's our first house.
Well, I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of you too. We did the thing. Holy shoot. Oh my god, we're officially, babe, we're Seattleites.
Yeah, we have the house in Seattle.
Dang, I really would have dressed cuter for this vlog if I knew that we were actually gonna get the house, but we did the thing. I'm still like, oh god, like today was such a good day. Like I got invited to be a thing that I can't tell you guys yet, but you guys will find out really soon, sometime next year. But I got invited to this thing that really cool people get invited to, and I never ever thought I'd get invited to it, and it's been on my bucket list. So that happened today. We got the house. It's someone's birthday today. Like it's just a really, really great day. Gosh, I'm just very thankful for my job, for my family, for you guys. I mean, seriously, I couldn't have bought this house with you guys, period. So I am so appreciative of every single one of you guys who's ever supported me, who's left me a comment, who has left me a thumbs up. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. I'm just like, this is surreal. All right, y'all, I'm here at the hospital, ready to pick Cabby up.
Princess, is your life beautiful? Yay! You have the man, you have the house, you don't have to go to the school, and you're the famous.
What?
And you're rich.
Betos only had a 2
very
points.
fit.
Oh yeah, he's lucky he's never like had stairs in our house before.
I've never really had stairs before.
Me either. Maybe we'll have like nice legs. Any final words from the day we bought our house?
I think after we did the survey, we realized this was the best place for us, and then it finally became true.
I think I would have not felt happy if we didn't buy a new house. Like I feel good knowing it's brand new, you know?
I think there's like I don't know if it's our Chinese superstition, but you know when you buy a not new house, like you like take over the juju of the previous owners. Like
yeah, and
there's,
after how much like BS they put us through,
yeah,
like
they were not nice people.
Yeah.
To their house.
I just don't want that energy.
But this one is new, and they like were pretty reasonable about it, and it's in a community where there's like it's like a bunch of newly built houses, and
yeah.
It's really like convenient for me, and it's brand new, and the lighting is pretty good, so Mickey can do her thing, and there's a parking spot just for Mickey. The only person who is suffering slightly, we have to figure out a little bit better, is for the bottles. He's having a nice life.
Hello, Bottles. How are you living? How is the life? Are you living okay?
I mean, it's gonna be better than now, right?
Oh,
it's
he's
gonna be better
looking
than
so
now.
cute. He looks so
It's
good
gonna
on
be
this
better
camera.
than now. You're gonna get some exercise going
Good
up and down the
boy.
staircase.
As always, don't forget you're a 10 out of 10. Don't let anyone ever make you feel otherwise. Don't let anyone tell you that you can or cannot do something. You're the judge of that. Told myself I would buy a house before 25, and here we are.
You're barely doing it.
What do you mean? I'm like 2 months ahead of schedule.
Great job. I'm the 7 years behind schedule. No, I'm not 30, whatever, 5.
Gross.
Sometimes I feel 50. My back hurts.
Mine too. Okay, bye.
Oh, did my loops come in?
No. Bye.